here AC EMF across your resistance. So here we are going to discuss here across the resistor EMF. So this is a resistor. So here now here this is the resistor. Across this resistor name is R. This across this resistor connecting AC EMF. So E is equal to E naught sine of omega t. This is the equation number 1. In this equation, sinusoidal equation, E value on y-axis. So here the t value on x-axis. This is a sinusoidal equation. So here the positive peak value, here the negative peak value E naught. So here the time period t is equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega. So here when I am connecting this one, nothing but current passing through the resistor, and so here the across this one is the terminal potential. So here AC alternating current EMF is E is equal to E naught into sine of omega t. So by Ohm's law, instantaneous current is I is equal to E by R. E value nothing but equation from equation 1, E naught sine omega t divided by R. So E naught by R into sine omega t. So E naught by R value I would like to write I naught into sine omega t, where this is the equation number 2. So where I naught is equal to E naught by R. This I naught is called is a peak current. So it means from equation 1 and equation 2 we can state that in a resistance, the alternating current potential different and current through it, so remaining in same phase. So here the very important point, from equation 1 and equation number 2, from equation 1 and equation number 2 we can state that so in a resistor, so in a resistance, so the potential AC potential different, so the AC potential different and current through it, so remaining in same phase, because here also sine omega t, here also sine omega t, both are same phase. Here the AC EMF across a capacitor. Here I would like to take one capacitor like this. This is one capacitor. So across this capacitor connecting EMF source. So EMF is equal to E naught sine omega t. This is the equation 1. This is a C. This is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. Here positive, here changing. According to time changing, here this polarity also changing. So this after some time, here the negative polarity, here the positive polarity. Let us consider the current passing through this in this circuit. Already current is this direction I. Here instantaneous charge and capacitor. Instantaneous charge on capacitor. So Q is equal to C into V. You know, here V is nothing but potential different across the capacitor. Potential different across capacitor. C E. So C into E is equal to C into E naught sine omega t. So Q value, you know, Now current is equal to d, rate of change of charge should is nothing but current. So d by dt of c into e naught into sine omega t. So c into e naught constant value you may write out of the differentiate, that I is equal to c into e naught into d by dt of sine omega t. So this derivative, so here the in this derivative, that I is equal to c into e naught into cos omega t into omega. So that I is equal to c into e naught omega cos omega t, cos omega t. Here this value, the I is equal to I naught into cos omega t. So this is the equation number 2. So where I naught is equal to c into omega into e naught, that should be equal 1 e naught divided by 1 by omega c, also called here the I naught. This I naught we call here the peak current. I naught we call here peak current. So this is the equation number 2. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, from equation 1 and equation number 2, this one is, I'm going to, this is a cos function, this is sine function. This equation 1 I'm going to find, converting in terms of sine function, is equal to I naught into sine of omega t plus 5 by 2. Omega t plus 5 by 2. This is the equation number 2. From this one also sine function, this one also sine function. That's why from equation 1 and equation 2, we can state that in a capacitor, in this capacitor, here in a capacitor, always current, so always current lags. So here the current, always current lags, current lags. So EMF by a phase angle 90, lags EMF by a phase difference 5 by 2, phase difference or phase angle, or phase angle 5 by 2. It means pi is equal to 5 by 2. Another important topic, AC EMF across the inductor. So let us consider this is the one inductor. So this is the inductor. This inductor connecting AC source. So here the E is equal to E naught sine omega t. This is the equation number 1. This inductor L across the here connecting across this inductor. Here the EMF is equal to, already we studied electromagnetic induction topic. So L image self inductance into di by dt. So here let us consider this is the current direction. Here in this situation, here I am going to write potential different across the inductor. Potential different across the inductor. So E is equal to L into di by dt. That should be is equal to, E is nothing but E naught sine omega t. So here variable separable, you may write L into di should be is equal to E naught into sine of omega t into dt. Both side I am going to multiply, or I am going to multiply here the integration. Both side we will get the total current. So integral di should be equal to E naught by L into sine of omega t into dt. Integral on both side. Here the integral both side, here the first integral, here the E naught by L you may write out of the integral. So d integral di should be is equal to E naught by L into integral of sin omega t into dt. Integral sin omega t into dt nothing but minus cos omega t. So here the integral di nothing but I. So E naught by L into minus cos omega t minus cos omega t. So divided by omega, divided by here the omega plus c. So here the minimize here plus c is nothing but integral constant value. So that integral constant very small. That's why no need to write here that I should be is equal to E naught divided by L into omega. So minus cos omega t. So here the I is equal to here the E naught divided by L into omega. Here the sine of omega t minus 5 by 2. Here minus indicates opposite. So here the minus 5 by 2 is different. This is the equation. This one is I is equal to I naught sine of omega t minus 5 by 2. So here this is the equation number 2. So here where I naught is equal to E naught divided by omega L. This I naught we called here the peak value, peak current here. Here from equation 1 and equation 2 we can state that in an inductor, so always current lags, this minus indicate here the lags, current lags behind the potential different across it by an angle 5 by 2, So here the from equation 1 and equation 2 we can state that equation 1 and equation 2 we can state that from equation 1 and 2 we can state that from equation 1 and equation 2 we can state that in an inductor so always current lags, here the why here current lags, here the minus is there, that's why here the current lags behind potential different, here this potential different is the E, behind the potential different across it by an angle 5 by 2,